Are you ready to discover the next big winners in artificial intelligence? In this video, I'll take on the challenge of picking 7 explosive AI stocks that could shape the future and maybe even make us all a lot richer. The world of artificial intelligence is advancing at lightning speed, reshaping industries and creating fresh opportunities for innovation and growth. Investing in AI stocks is one of the best ways to capture this momentum, but with so many options out there, the real challenge lies in choosing wisely. The right picks could mean incredible returns, while the wrong ones could leave you disappointed. The AI market is projected to continue expanding rapidly, with some experts predicting it could reach trillions in value over the next decade. That scale of growth presents massive opportunities for investors who can identify the right companies early. But with high reward comes high risk, which makes research and smart analysis essential before jumping in. Success in AI isn't just about hype, it's about execution. Companies need not only strong technology but also a clear vision and the right team to deliver on their promises. As investors, we need to focus on businesses with unique advantages and strategies that set them apart from the competition. The landscape changes quickly. A company that seemed unstoppable yesterday may be struggling today. That's why staying informed is key. In this video, I'll break down 7 carefully researched AI stocks that I believe hold strong potential for explosive growth in the years ahead. We've all seen companies overpromise and underdeliver in this space, so caution is always necessary. That's why I've dug deep into the fundamentals and strategies of these 7 companies. They're not just chasing trends, they're shaping them. From cloud computing to cybersecurity, these businesses are harnessing AI to drive meaningful results. They have strong leadership, proven track records, and scalable models that position them well for the future. While there are never guarantees in the market, these picks stand out as promising opportunities. Each stock has its own unique story. In this video, I'll explore their business models, financial health, and recent performance, giving you a clear view of where their strengths and risks. Company number 1 is a leader in cloud computing, with heavy investments in AI and machine learning that are paying off. Company number 2 is redefining cybersecurity, using AI-driven tools to defend against increasingly complex digital threats. Company number 3 is innovating in natural language processing, powering everything from customer support chatbots to advanced translation systems. Company number 4 is revolutionizing healthcare through AI applications in medical imaging and diagnostics. Company number 5 is pushing forward in autonomous vehicles, building technology that could change transportation as we know it. Company number 6 is bringing AI into marketing, helping businesses connect with customers in smarter, more personalized ways. Company number 7 is advancing robotics, driving innovation across manufacturing, logistics, and beyond. Among these, one company stands out as the most exciting. It's leading the field of computer vision, developing technology adopted by major players in industries from self-driving cars to security. With groundbreaking results and rapid adoption, this company's growth potential is hard to ignore. The data supports it. Strong execution, innovative products, and momentum that could set it apart. Of course, risks remain, but the upside is significant, potentially far above the market average. Another important factor to consider when looking at AI stocks is scalability. Some companies may have great ideas, but without the ability to scale their technology across industries and geographies, their growth potential is limited. Investors should look closely at whether a company's products or services can be adopted on a global scale. Accountants and financial analysts also remind us not to overlook balance sheets. A company can have impressive technology, but if it's carrying too much debt or burning through cash without a clear path to profitability, that's a red flag. Strong financial fundamentals are just as important as innovation when it comes to long-term success. AI is also creating exciting partnerships across industries. Companies that form strong alliances, whether with major tech players, research institutions, or government programs, tend to gain a competitive edge. These partnerships can accelerate growth, provide additional funding, and create barriers for competitors. Another angle worth considering is regulation. Governments around the world are beginning to set rules for how AI can be developed and used. While regulation can be a challenge, companies that build compliance into their strategies early on are often more resilient and better positioned to thrive. The global reach of AI also means opportunities aren't limited to the US or Europe. Emerging markets are investing heavily in AI to modernize their economies. Savvy investors who look beyond the biggest names may uncover hidden gems in international markets with strong growth potential. It's also important to understand the role of data in AI success. Companies that have access to massive high-quality datasets hold a major advantage, as AI systems are only as good as the information they're trained on. Firms with proprietary data sources often create a protective moat around their business. Finally, investors should keep a long-term perspective. AI is not a get-rich-quick scheme. While some stocks may deliver explosive short-term gains, the real value lies in steady, sustainable growth over time. Patience and discipline are key to benefiting from the AI revolution. In summary, these 7 AI stocks represent companies at the forefront of innovation. They're not just adapting to change, they're driving it. Whether through cloud computing, healthcare, cybersecurity, or robotics, they highlight the diverse ways AI is reshaping our world. For both new and experienced investors, including AI stocks in your portfolio is becoming essential. The growth potential is enormous, and these 7 companies could be the key to unlocking it. So, which of these AI opportunities excites you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to check out my next video, where I'll dive deeper into smart strategies for investing in emerging technologies.